I'd say, I mean, absolutely. If somebody comes to me and asks about Aspire and if it would be beneficial for them, I would say absolutely. I don't think it matters where you're at in your company because I've been doing this 38 years and been successful, but we haven't been as successful as we could be. And it's my understanding of construction has not been business, and that's what Aspire's teaching me is the business end of it. And it doesn't matter if you're struggling with estimating or marketing or production or all those things would be addressed by Aspire and work with you specifically on those items, as well as help you out in all the areas that you're already good at. They're still giving me insight on stuff that where I can improve there as well. So I'd actually put this PSA together on my own vision of it. In that PSA was built out for every part of our costs, our engineers, the design work, and all these elements. I still wasn't paying myself. So when they started talking here at Aspire about the PSA, it was like, wow, this is amazing. I mean, I'm doing this, but I'm not doing it as well as I could. In that PSA, it's also going to give us time to do accurately what we always want to do, which is build our costs for our customer so that in our contract, they have a cost that's real.